Look.
We will come soon, I promise. We are going to the fun fair.
I love you so much, Dad.
Let's eat cotton candy now. Have you seen my daughter?
Why are you crying, little angel? I can't find my daddy. Don't worry, sweetheart. We'll find your daddy.
I lost my daughter. Please help.
We'll find her, don't worry.
We'll find your father. I promise. We have to go. I think I know where he is. Daddy, this kind lady saved me.
Thank you so much for keeping her safe.
You have an amazing daughter. She's full of kindness and